Hi, my name is Lori Kubik. I'm a manager on the outsourced accounting services team here at Ryan & Wetmore. My team and I provide services to our clients, including accounting systems implementation, payroll processing, and accounting support, just to name a few. COVID-19 has affected all of our clients. All of us here at Ryan & Wetmore are trusted advisors helping our clients navigate the legislation in response to COVID-19. Today, I'm here to talk to you about one piece of COVID legislation, the Employee Retention Credit. ERC is one of the most overlooked COVID relief programs for businesses. Many businesses, including those with PPP loans, may be eligible for significant relief. The ERC was originally established under the CARES Act in March of 2020 and has recently been extended and expanded under the stimulus bill passed in December. Originally, businesses could not apply for both PPP funds and ERC, but the recent stimulus bill retroactively gives PPP borrowers access to the ERC, which qualifies them for significant tax relief or even cash payments from the IRS. Today I'm here with my colleague, Jack Ramsey, for a Q&A on the basics of the ERC. Before we get started, this discussion is only meant to provide some basic information. We encourage employers to contact Ryan & Wetmore for a free eligibility analysis.
So Lori, what is ERC?
The ERC is a refundable tax credit that reimburses employers for qualified employee wages.
How much of a credit can a business get for each employee?
Well, that depends on the year. In 2020, the ERC reimbursed employers for 50% of qualified wages, which are capped at $10,000 per employee for all of 2020. So the maximum credit for 2020 would be $5,000 per eligible employee. In 2021, the ERC reimbursed employers for 70% of qualified wages for each of the first and second quarters of the year. Qualified wages are still capped at $10,000 per employee per quarter. So the maximum credit for 2021 would be $14,000 per eligible employee, $7,000 for quarter one, $7,000 for quarter two. There are detailed guidelines regarding qualified wages, eligible employees, and employer eligibility criteria that need to be considered but are too detailed and specific for our conversation today.
What businesses are eligible for ERC?
To be eligible for the ERC, your business has to meet one of these two criteria. One, you are fully or partially shut down by a government order due to the pandemic, or two, you had a significant decline in gross receipts in any quarter in 2020 compared to that same quarter of 2019. A significant decline in gross receipts differs in 20 and 21. In 2020, it's defined as a 50% decline, and in 2021, it's defined as a 20% decline.
Can a business get both PPP and ERC?
The short answer is yes. PPP borrowers can now claim the ERC. However, businesses cannot double count wages and include them in multiple programs. If you use PPP funds, received FFCRA emergency paid sick leave and family medical leave credits, or provider relief fund reimbursements, those wages cannot be used as qualifying wages for the ERC.
Are self-employed people eligible for ERC?
No, according to the IRS, self-employed individuals are not eligible for ERC with regard to their own self-employment earnings. If they paid wages to employees, those wages may qualify subject to the normal requirements.
How can a business claim ERC?
There are several ways to claim the ERC. Employers can claim the ERC directly on IRS Form 941, Employer's Quarterly Federal Tax Return. Employers may be able to reduce their FICA and withholding on payroll tax deposits each pay period during the first and second quarters of 2021. Employers may be eligible for advance payments of the ERC, which would require IRS filing of Form 7200. Now, if you're claiming the ERC for 2020 and Form 941 has already been filed, then employers can amend their original returns using Form 941X to claim the credit. This concludes our discussion about the Employee Retention Credit. Thanks to Jack and all of you for joining us today.
Thank you.
As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, this discussion is only meant to provide some basic information. Please contact Ryan & Wetmore if you have any questions about anything Jack and I have discussed, or or you'd like a free eligibility analysis. Talk to you soon.